Hello everyone, good evening. So there are only two people. Okay, let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, let's start then. Uh, 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 so my VS Code is visible, right? And my browser. Like you guys can give thumbs up if you are not able to speak. Okay, thanks, Raja. Okay, so I think we have completed our product API. Okay, this was completed. We were on art API, I guess. Yeah. So okay, here it is fine. Uh, this is also fine, I think. Post, we are adding product into cart, and what we are doing here, quantity updated successfully. Okay, we are removing the product. I think quantity updated successfully. We can handle this. Uh, okay, let's say so. Okay, we are checking product here, but let's say if product is already in the cart, so then what we will do? We haven't checked that point, so yeah. So okay, let's put a condition here. So let's check what should we name the product. Okay, cart product. Say cart dot query dot filter by, and we have customer ID, which is, and then we can say product ID equal to this product ID dot per. So if the product, okay, let me check customer ID, product ID. So in cart we have customer ID, product ID. Yeah, fine. So let's say if the product is already there, so if cart product is there, then Okay, let's say if not card product. So if product is not in the card, then we will do this operation, like we will check if the product is actually available, actually exist or not, and then we will add it into the card. But if it's already there in the card, then we will just update the quantity of the product. So quantity equal to where is it? This new quantity. We can put it here, and then we can write this here, and here we can update the message product added into cart. This is also fine, but here we are updating, so we will say 200. So I will reiterate the flow. We have requested to add a product into cart. Here we are checking if the data is product ID and quantity is there or not. We have checked if this is less than 1 or not. Like if it's less than 1 means 0 or minus, we'll return this message. Or there is a way we can add default one, which is like writing 1 here, comma 1. So if the quantity is not there, it will add, it will result in 1 by default. So that is that we can do. And then we can, in that case, we can, yeah, I think we can comment this line. And if the user is not giving any, the customer is not giving any quantity, we will say 1. And if it's passing any quantity, then it will be that quantity. Okay. So yeah, so here we will check if the product is already there in the cart, and if it's there, then it will not add it again. It will just update the quantity of it. So suppose you have added, so you are customer one, you have added bhujia in your cart. Let's say 3 quantity of bhujia. Now you are again adding bhujia in your cart. Now here you can say you can like do two kind of things. Either you can uh, increase the available current quantity, or you can you can give the new quantity. So let's say if the customer one has added 3 bhujia at the first go, and then he added 2 quantity of bhujia again, you can either set the whole quantity to 2, or you can do it 3 plus 2. Here we are doing it 2, but if we'll have to do like 3 plus 2 scenario where we are increasing the quantity, so in that case we will be writing this as this. So we will just add in the existing quantity. Okay, but I think right now we will just override that quantity. Okay, this is also fine. This we have specially defined to just update the quantity. This is also fine. uh, Here we are removing the product, so this is, now we'll have to write a purchase API where we will purchase the product. So yep, let's write it here. Okay, we are giving cart products. Okay, I think here we can give cart total also. So mm, where is this cart convert to JSON? Here we have price, unit, and quantity. Yeah, I think we can return total amount here also. So let's write a for loop. So for product in card JSON, let's define a variable here, card total. Let's say card total equal to 0. Then here we can write card total equal plus equal to product dot quantity into product dot, what we have here, product price. So product dot product price, and then here we'll have to return the whole thing. So we will write here cart JSON, and we will return cart JSON, and then we will say cart total, and we will return cart total. Okay, so now we will get the let's check it once. if it's working fine. Okay, say cd backend main.py. uh, so we'll have to log in, I think, first. Okay, this is our user, let's log in. Okay, we got the token, let's copy the token. Okay, this is card one. Here we were getting only products, not the total, but let's try it now. Let's change the token. Let's send the request. Okay, there is some error. Dict object has no attribute quantity. Okay, I think I have made any spelling mistake. Quantity. This is correct here. Okay. Okay, this is dictionary. We'll have to write dot get and key. So, yep, dot get price. Okay, it's running. Let's send the request again. Okay, now we got all the products and we got total 1820. So this is 600, this is 40, and this is so 580. So 580 and 40, 620, 6 and 6. So 1220, and we have 3 to 6 here. Yeah, so it's 1820. So we got card total and all our card products. Now we will write our purchase API. So should we create another file for that? We have, okay, what is this here? Okay, let's leave it. Let's create a new file. Purchase API.py. Okay, let's copy some things from here itself. Uh, okay, let's copy. Let's paste it here. We will rename purchase API. So what we will do in our purchase API is get. mm, okay, we will return the order. So orders. Let's say orders. So okay, it's orders. Orders dot query dot filter by. We have customer ID. So what we have in, we have customer ID. Okay, fine. So where is, okay, let's close all these product category IMD DB. What is this? Okay, this is fine. Purchase. Okay, so customer ID. Okay, we will filter all the customer orders. Then we will write order JSON. Order JSON. Then for order in orders, let's say order JSON dot append order dot convert to JSON. No need to say total here, so we will remove this one, and we can say order JSON. You can return directly here. Either you can write it in this way, like this, order JSON in dictionary, or you can directly say order JSON. Both is fine. So we haven't written convert to JSON yet. We will do that in a moment. And yeah, let's write the purchase one where we will actually purchase the product. So uh, okay, if it's not okay, all these endpoints are customers, and so if role is not customer, we will say access denied here also. So here we don't need any data. We will just use the customer ID, and we will purchase all the, we will purchase all the products in the cart itself. So card products, this is fine. We don't need a certain product ID here. We will be purchasing all. So let's put all here. We have all here. Yeah, this is fine. So pretty much, yeah. So we will filter all the products that customer has added in the cart. And let's say, okay, let's say if it's empty. So let's say if run a message, we will say what we will say. We can say 400 here, but what we will say. So if card length is okay, we will say card is empty, empty, or I can say your card is empty. Your card is empty. If the length of card is 0 for a customer, and if not, we will run a for loop. So we will run a for loop. So for product in card product. Okay, let's leave these for the moment. So for product in card product, uh, I don't think we need to check the product, because if the product is deleted, it will be automatically deleted from the card table, because we have used cascade delete. So if a product is removed from here, it will be automatically removed from the card. So we don't need to check the product. So we will just directly add the order. So let's create a new order object, new order. We will say order here, and what we are giving in order, we have quantity, product ID, customer ID, date of purchase is default. So quantity, product ID, customer ID. Okay. So product ID we will get from the product itself. So okay, so it will be product dot, and this product is cart object, not the product object. So will have to write product ID. This it will write ID. It will get this ID, but we want this ID, product ID. So we will write dot product ID, and okay, this is orders. Quantity, yeah, we can get the quantity also from the product, which is this one, and let's do this one. Okay, and customer ID is current user ID. Okay, this is fine, and then we can use this here, and we will move to this within for, and we can commit at the end of the this for loop. So this is fine. We'll say uh, purchase successful, or what should we write here? Purchased ordered successfully, or okay, let's write thank you for shopping. Thank you for shopping with us. Yeah. So we have given product ID, quantity, customer ID. We need product ID, customer ID, quantity. This is fine. One more thing. As we will add the products in the cart, we will also delete them. So db dot session dot delete delete product. So we will remove that product from the cart. product. And if we are not writing this line, then in the end here we'll have to write this line again, and instead of this all, we will write delete, and I think it will delete all the, it will clear the customer's card. So this looks good, I think. Do we have any other thing related to purchase? Okay, we don't need this also. So one, we have to fetch all the orders, and one, we have to purchase the card. This looks fine. Let's add endpoint here. So let's copy, let's paste purchase API. You can say purchase API. You can copy this, paste it here, and we don't need any here. We can say order. So if you will post, if you will fetch this URL, if you will hit this URL with post method, you will get all the product, you will purchase all the products. And if you will hit this with get, you will get all your orders. So let's quickly write this function for the orders. So we have quantity, this is fine. We have product ID, we have I think we have pretty much everything. Date of purchase we can write. So let's say mm, yep, let's copy paste one of these, paste here. Let's say date of purchase. Okay, this looks fine. Now our user already have some product in the cart, these things. So okay, let's check the route once again. Purchase API slash order. Okay, this is fine. Let's order. Okay, let's just get the orders once. So we are using get method here. Let's send the request. We got empty list. Why? Because we haven't ordered anything yet. Now let's make it post and send. This is saying thank you for shopping with us. Yeah, okay. So this is what we have expected. Let's fetch the get again. Okay, this is showing some error. Orders object has no attribute products. Okay, let's check. Okay, we don't have products here. Uh, I think it doesn't have any relationship with product table, but we have product ID here, so I think we can add a line here in order to get all the details. So let's add a line here also. Okay, I think we have one line here. Okay, we don't have any line in the user also. So yep, let's add one, and I think that would be better. So if you deleting a product, it will be deleted from the orders table also. So orders, say orders, and this is orders, this is products, and this is file. And let's add the same thing uh, here also. Orders, users, and if you are deleting a user, all its orders will be deleted. Yeah, I think now we have corrected our uh, relationship. Okay, so let's quickly run it again, and let's send the request again. Now we are getting all the things. So you are seeing like quantity, product ID, product name, price, unit description, date of purchase, and all other things. Okay. So yep. So we have tested this. What else? What else is there? So cart API, we have pretty much tested everything yesterday. We have tested get, we have tested post. Hmm, what else? Okay, so this is done. What else? Okay, we haven't written uh, APIs for this, where like manager will request for some change in category. So let's see this one. Okay, so should we create a new file, or okay, let's write it here. Okay, let's create a new file. Category request API dot py. So let's copy the category API itself. So okay, we will use this one to get all the category requests. So category request, category requests. We don't need this. We can say category request.json. Index for JSON. We can say category request. We can say category request. This would be category request, and this will be category request JSON. And we can remove this. We haven't written this convert to JSON function for this one yet, but we will write that in a moment. Let's see if everything is correct. Okay, we are requesting all. Okay, so I think this one, this API only admin and manager should be able to access, because yeah, so the manager who is requesting for a category, like some change in category, that manager can view the request, and the admin will be able to view all the requests. So let's put a role thing here. And so okay, so we will say if role equal to customer, we will say access denied, and then we will check again if role equal to manager. So for a manager, we will only return those categories, those requests, like those requests who, like which request that manager has created. Okay, so we won't show all the managers all the requests. We only show those requests that that manager has requested himself. So yeah, so I think we will put a filter here. So filter by, I think we have a manager ID field here. Yeah, we have a manager ID field here. So let's say manager ID, and we will get this ID from the current user. So user ID, category requests, and if it's a admin, then it will be okay. I have made some mistake. Let me copy this whole thing and then paste it here. So if the role is admin, uh, we won't do any filters. We will return all the requests. So category request.file.all. Then whatever filter we have here, it will return that data here. Okay. I think we'll have to do the same thing for the product also. So uh, where is product API? Yeah, here. So okay, let's put this one. So if it's a if it's a manager, we will apply a filter on the products. So if it's a manager, we will say where is it? Let's copy this thing from here. If it's a manager, we will filter by manager ID, and else we will return all the products. So even if it's a customer or admin, we will return all the products. So here, and then we have the pretty much same thing. So we will check if it's a manager, we will return those products only, like only those products who so the manager who is requesting this URL, we will only return those products that is created by manager who is requesting the URL, and otherwise we will return all the products. So if the admin is requesting this URL, we will return all the products. If customer is requesting, we will return all the products. But for a manager, we will filter by manager ID. So and we have like pretty much uh, applied all the filters here. So a manager can delete or edit only those products that was created by that manager. Yeah, so we have those filters already in place. So okay, we were writing here. So this is done, and we don't need any put or delete here. So let's remove this, and this should be only accessed by manager. So let's write manager here, because only manager can request for a change related to category, like category request. So only manager can request for a deletion of category, or creation of a new category, or some update in the existing category. So this is fine. So first we will check. Uh, okay, what we will check first. Mm, So I think we have a column in the table action. Yeah. So we can say first we will check the action. So yeah, I think action is fine. So uh, yep. So we will get the action from the data. So let's say we get the action, and if not action, we will say action field is required. So first thing we will check the action, and then we will start. And we can have three type of actions. We can have create, update, delete. So let's check if uh, okay, we can write another thing here. If not data dot get action or data, okay, let me copy, or data dot get action not in, let's put a strip here, strip, because it will be a string, not in, we'll give a list here. I think we can give the list of these. So we can write it as small also. Let me write it as all caps. So create. So if the action is not in create, update, delete, we will say action field is required. Valid action field is required. So valid action field is required. Okay. Now we will check. So if the action field is equal to create, what we will get? We will, if we are going to create a category, we will need name. So we will say name equal to data dot get. Okay, we can write the validation here. So if data dot get name, then only we will continue. So if the name is there, then we will say we will create a category request, and we will say category request. Now we will pass the what we have here, name. Okay. So then we will pass the name, which will be data. We can write strip here and here also. We can say a condition here. I think we have that condition in the category API. Yeah, this one. Let's paste it here itself. So if it's not as per the guideline, then we will return a message. Otherwise, we will create the object and we will add it in the session. So db dot session dot add category request. We will say db dot session dot commit, and we can return a message here. It will be 201 category creation requested successfully. Okay, this is fine. We have that line here. Okay, let's move this. Okay, what will happen if we have the, if this request is update request? So in that case, we will check if data dot get action is update, and there is ID with the update. So we will say let's say, okay, we can verify this later. We will say first, if the update is there, let's simply copy this from here. So if the category will not be there, we will just, I think we can copy this whole thing. Let's put it here. So so here we will first get filter the category